just to build a wall around it to hold the ice in.
Oh.
Hold the ice where you want it to be. I reckon I'll just sprinkle some on pretty random and just see what we come up with, yeah?
Sounds like a plan to me.
We'll start with yellow. And we don't need much.
This one looks very bright. You haven't got the ice in there yet, have you?
No, put the ice on after the dye. You can do it either way, but doing it this way, it keeps the colours pretty much in place. If you put the powder on top of the ice, it goes everywhere. Which sometimes you want, sometimes you don't. Emerald green. Light green powder, and when it starts activating you can see how green it is.
Yeah, very different to what was in the jar.
And violet, and put some over here. Get a good look at that. All the pretty colours.
Awesome.
And we're just going to cover it with the ice. As it melts, the powders move down through all those threads. Mix and change. Those beautiful patterns in the ice.
If there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out the hook while my DJ revolves it. Ice, ice. Lots of pretty colours. Booby bag.
Ooh,
Pretty,
pretty like
colours.
candy.
Fairy floss.
Beautiful.
Now we've just got to detangle it and